So hello guys, welcome to the TechRox YouTube channel. In our today's video, we will see what is directly associated password settings, DAPs. It is a feature of Active Directory that allow administrators to define and apply password policies to individual user accounts or groups of accounts. So when a directory associated password policy is applied to a user account or group, it overrides any domain level password policy and it allows administrators to create a specific password policies for specific users or groups that may require stronger or weaker passwords. So let's see what DAP is. Click on the tools on your server homepage and go to Active Directory Administrative Center. And here you have to click on your server techroxo.com local. Here go to the system and here is a option like password settings container. Double click on it and here we have to create a new password settings. Now from here we can create a new password policy for every individual user or a group. Let's give any name to our password setting like hard password. Okay, so precedence means the priority of our this password. So the higher the precedence is, the more priority of our this password settings get. Like I will give this settings the priority of 10,000 and it is the minimum password length. Let's set it to the uh, like 15 characters and number of passwords remembered. It is set to 24. Let's change to 20. Wait, change it to 20 or any number you can give it to you by your need. Password must meet the complexity requirements. So it is an option like if we want to uh, and add any special character, if we want to add any numbers, capital case, smaller case, this type of complexity if we want in our password, we can choose this option. And here is the password age options. This option user cannot change the password within this number of days, like change it to any number 2, or it is the option user must change the password after this days, like 7 days. User have to change the password after 7 days. So from here we can apply this password policy to a user or a group. Like click on add. Here search any user like test2. I have created a user test2, check names. Here okay. Okay. Now just wait, let's create a new user first. Give this policy to that user. New user like test3.com. No, test3 only. test3@techroxo.com. Now here is the default password for our this user. And here password expires never. We have to select here the user must change the password at next logon. And from here also we can set the password settings. We have to select this option password settings and now we have to click on this assign option. Here we have right now created the hard password. Just click here, type here hard and click on check names. Here is our hard password policy is. Now click on OK. Now on our this user, the our this password policy has been applied. Now click on OK. Now let's try this user. Let's try to log in with this user. Click on other user. and here is test3 at the rate techroxo.com. Here type the default password and click on next. And here it is saying the user's password must be changed before signing in because we have selected that option. Now click on OK. Now here we have to enter new password. Like we have set the minimum length to the 15. Just check any number below 15 at the rate. Now check if now it is giving us an error. Unable to update the password. The value provided for the new password doesn't meet the length complexity history requirements. So we have to meet the requirements. We have set the length to 15. We have to make the password 15 characters. Now again let's try to change password. Now here it is changing password. Your password has been changed. Okay. Now we are logged in with the test3 user. So in this way, this password settings work. We can also make any weak password, like we have created a strong password, hard password. We can also create a weak password for admin users, and we can create a hard password, like anything we can do with this console. Thanks for watching this video. S- Stay tuned for our upcoming videos.